Ladies and gentlemen, let's kill two birds with stone. I'm going to take a look at the euro versus US dollar and the dollar versus yen. The price action in both of those currency pairs is similar in relation to the US dollar. Let's take a look at the euro versus US dollar first. And if we look at this chart, this is the hourly chart of this currency pair. What sticks out to me is these highs right through here became swing lows through here, became swing highs through here. And in trading on Friday, the price came within the swing area right here, above the extreme, or below the extreme, I should say, right here. And we wandered a little bit lower into the close. In the Asian session trading, we went to the downside, and then we moved back into this swing area before moving back to the downside. There's a lot of arrows there, but you can see the down and up and down type price action here. We remain below this swing area, which is key for this currency pair. As long as the price can remain below that level, we should see further downside momentum. Now, having said that, this level, remember this level from last week, it was actually from the week before and last week, the Monday high and the Friday high right through here came in at the 1.09329, and in trading on Friday we came up to that level after the jobs report, rotated back to the downside, tested the 200-hour moving average, and then surged above that level and closed near the highs, as said. Now we need to get below this level right here, but I would expect that that level would be a tough nut to crack on the downside for the euro versus US dollar. So if we head down toward that level, perhaps look for some support buyers. It's the last chance for the buyers to stick their nose in the water and potentially take the price back to and through this high. If we do break below that level, all bets are off. We should look toward a rotation back toward the 100-hour moving average and the 200-hour moving average, is blue and green lines, which are near converged at 1.08. What is that? 97 on the downside for the euro versus US dollar. Let's take a look at the dollar versus yen next. And whereas we saw the euro move to the downside and then to the upside and then to the downside, we're seeing the dollar versus yen move to the upside and then to the downside, and now a little bit to the upside here. So sort of similar price action versus the US dollar. What we saw in trading on Friday for this currency pair is a really sharp move to the downside here off of the initial move lower in the Asian session, a modest correction that saw the price move up to some modest resistance right here near the 143.43 to 53 level. It was a low price going back to Thursday and a high price going back here. Got a little messy here, but the break below that level and then holding the level right through here sent the price to the downside, and then we fell below this swing area as well. The swing area had a number of different swing highs right through here. I'd like to put it on my there, and then we started to rotate to the upside right there. So didn't really do a good job with those arrows. But what we saw was the price move down to 142.05, and lo and behold, in trading here on the last move to the downside, the price is holding support 142.05. Below this area right through here. 38.2% is also in play for this currency pair. If the price were able to get back above the 38.2 and stay above that level, maybe we rotate back toward our high prices from on the corrective move here today. If we are able to stay below the 38.2, the bias remains more to the downside for the dollar versus yen. We'd be looking toward the 50% retracement level. That level comes in at 141.74. So more the correction here today looks more like a correction of this sharp move to the downside. We'll see if the momentum could continue in that direction. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.